Michelle here once again talking about our warm temperatures today and some moisture offshore, it looks like.
Yes, we could see the potential for some showers and thunderstorms later tonight. I'm talking about after dinner, and it's going to be on the cooler side for today, but still warm. So not as hot as yesterday, but very warm, especially across inland locations. So as you make your way out the door, plan on some low 50s for the coast, mid to upper 50s across the bay, but inland locations still warm from yesterday. Temperatures are into the upper 60s to right around 70. Now into the lunch hour, temperatures will quickly warm up for inland locations. I'm talking about upper 70s, and then by the early afternoon, 80s across much of the area. A few isolated 90s are possible as well, but the rest of the bay talking about some mid to upper 70s, so about 10 degrees cooler from where we were yesterday afternoon. If you are across the coast, though, upper 60s to right around 70. And again, we have the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms after dinner time. So as we look at satellite and radar, we do have some rain well off to Southern California and right along the coast, but that will continue to track off in that northwestern direction. And the Bay Area will stay relatively dry, but we'll start to see some clouds move into the early afternoon, and that will help to suppress those temperatures from warming up this afternoon. Now, so here's what we're looking at, our futurecast. So lunchtime, much of the bay still dealing with some sunshine with all that daytime heating that will give us the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms. But looking at 4 o'clock, though, isolated showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder will be possible across parts of the wine country, maybe even parts of the Delta, and a few isolated showers may be possible just off to the east across the South Bay. So as you make your way home, and I'm talking about after dinner time, that's when we start to see a few shower and thunderstorm chances develop into the evening hours, and that will continue to persist into the overnight hours. So let's talk about what else is happening out there. These temperatures still very warm inland. I'm talking about some upper 60s across Antioch and Pleasanton. Livermore, 70 degrees right now across parts of the South Bay, lower 60s. San Francisco, 55 as of right now, much of the peninsula into the low to mid 50s. North Bay into the mid 50s as well. The East Bay shoreline, mid 50s to start off your morning. Now, as we look closer to the lunch hour, these temperatures are going to continue to warm up, but the warmer spots are going to be across parts of the South Bay. And then these temperatures will quickly heat up into the upper 80s, maybe even some isolated 90s this afternoon. East Bay Valley, though, will continue to warm up into the upper 70s. And we're talking about some isolated upper 80s and maybe even an isolated 90 by the afternoon. But much of the coast will continue to stay on the cooler side with some upper 60s to right around 70, mid 70s across the rest of the bay. So we have that slight shower chance later on this evening, and then by tomorrow we also have another shower chance. Right now it's looking like parts of the North Bay will start to see a few showers. The rest of the bay mostly cloudy skies. By Thursday and Friday we start to warm up, and that will continue on into the first half of the weekend. By Sunday, still warm, but we'll start to cool down just a little bit into early next week.